I'm going to show you how to make a fire extinguisher. For that we need a candle, a lighter, a bottle with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and the lid of that which has a tiny hole and a straw into it, and another bottle with 2 cups of vinegar. Let's begin from lighting up the candle safely. I can hear the puff coming out. Now let's give it a shake and take it close to the candle. The candle switched off because when vinegar is mixed into baking soda, carbon dioxide is produced. That switched off the oxygen, and we all know that a candle needs oxygen to burn. Because of lack of oxygen, the candle fire extinguished.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.